Free giveaway, $200 giveaway tonight. A couple weeks ago, I gave away a brand new Rollo printer during our free AMZ book club. This is a book club designed to help you build a profitable book business and make thousands of dollars in profit. My mom's gonna make at least an extra $10,000 this year. You can see the table's filled with books. And the purpose of this call is to help you guys make money as well, and in the year with more money in your bank account than you started. And so tonight I will be giving away $200 worth of used books, CDs, and DVDs. A few weeks ago, I gave away this Rollo printer. I've given away scanners. I've given away scales on the call. You never know what's gonna happen on these live calls. Sometimes I get a little spontaneous and give something else away, but the main purpose of the call is to help you build a profitable book business. You can go into thrift stores, libraries, college campuses, and there's dozens of other places. Tonight we will be covering techniques to get more books in your book business on your Amazon account, and we'll be talking about listing books super fast. I literally have a technique that can help you list over 100 books per hour. The only thing you need to do to apply is sign up at amzbookclub.com. And during the live call, I will require that you have a GoToLister subscription. But again, everything's 100% free. GoToLister.com has a 7-day free trial. So if you just want to enter the challenge and sign up for GoToLister, that's fine. It's a free trial. All you have to do is enter your credit card information. And if you want to, you could cancel if you don't love the software. But the software is designed to help you list books insanely fast. And so I'm super pumped for tonight. It's 7 p.m. Eastern time. And I will see you guys there. Much love. Peace out.